Hey everyone, I am Kanish Gupta and you're watching The Process. In this video of The Process, I would be telling you some online marketing tips and tricks that can be effectively used by small companies with low budget. The internet is right now being used by 4.5 billion people and the Earth's total population is about 7.5 billion people. So there's a lot of space still left over here. The first tip is about tightening up your SEO. What exactly is a SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Whenever someone looks for any products or services on the Google's search engine and your website appears on the top results, that means you have a good SEO. But what if you don't have it? And how do you know that Google is going to put you or your website on the top results? How does Google manage to do so? Google has set up some parameters. The website who is going to satisfy these parameters are going to be placed in the top results. Google sends a spider to each and every web page present on the internet. The spider crawls and looks and makes a copy of each and every web page present on the internet. The copy is then sent to the Google's database. The Google places that copy in an index, and according to that index, whosoever searches for any of the keywords which is relevant for the website, according to that criteria, the Google shows the search results. In the description down below, I will link some of the links for the complete tutorials for how can you manage to do so. The next tip is about performing a good keyword research. Suppose you have an Italian cafe at Kolkata. If you search for a keyword such as the best Italian cafe, and if you put this keyword on your website as a header tag or anything else, you are not going to rank because these keywords are much more competitive. What keyword I will suggest you is the best Italian cafe at Kolkata. I think it will give you a less volume of searches and it is also not very much competitive. That's how you do the keyword research. The keyword research, for doing the keyword research, what tools I will suggest you is the Google's AdWord Keyword Planner. It is the best keyword planning tool for free users or premium users or else freemium users. What it takes to rank for more competitive keywords. It is pages with contents. The more the number of contents, the number of blogs you have on your website, the more higher you are going to rank for your SEO. The next tip is about starting a blog. According to WordPress, we have got 407 million people who are reading 23.7 billion posts in a month. So you need quality blogs to draw attention to your website. You need to put up good quality of photos to build trust with your users. According to a research, bloggers say that they spend 1.3 hours on an average in writing one post. The fourth tip that I will suggest you is either joining a Facebook group or creating a Facebook group. In the beginner level, you need to join a Facebook group which is relevant for your community of businesses, either for customers or for buyers or sellers, anything. But when you reach an advanced status, you will be much more effective when you will be creating a Facebook group of your own. This is very much effective from a business profile or a Facebook page. The next thing is about participating in forums. Sprinkle your backlinks in the web page like anything. So you need to be on Quora answering everyone's question. You need to be on Tumblr, on Reddit, on Facebook pages. Alright. The next thing which I will suggest you is building an email list. E-marketers have provided this data that the $1 you spend in building the email list in the email marketing campaign, the return of interest ROI you will be getting is of $144. Yeah, it's true. So it is much more effective than of any other social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, or anything else. The tools which I will suggest you is MailChimp. Here You can provide simple templates and you can automate your emails. To start off, you just simply need a list. If you are selling products and you need to get online, then I will suggest you from the bottom of my heart to become an Amazon seller because everyone else is on the Amazon. You can try other options too. The options in India is the GeoMart, Flipkart, anything else. Facebook has a very important feature in it. This feature is called the Facebook Live. Facebook reports that 20% of its videos are live. Many of the small businesses in the past few years we have seen skyrocketing to $1 million industries, but just by simply using Facebook Live. So you have a post, you have an account, you have a page, you are in a group. Why don't you use Facebook Live? Doesn't takes to shot video in a fancy professional studio. We have seen many videos are shot on a smartphone. The next thing is about guest posts on industry blogs. It is a great way to add a weight in your search algorithm and building backlinks. The next step is about signing up at HARO, Harrow, helpareporterout.com. Even if you are not a good writer, but you can be featured in major outlets or major media houses. So how it can be? It's possible because of helpareporterout.com. We have three types of media: paid media, owned media, and the third one is earned media. That's helpareporterout.com. Appeal to foreign markets. Just because you think that you are a small business, it doesn't mean that you have your limitations only to local markets. Maybe it's a secret source of income for you. In the China, they use Ren Ren. In Russia, they use Vkontakte. Vkontakte. These can be your secret sources of income. Who knows? Go right now. The internet broke down the geographic barriers. Go right now. Take the advantage. You can register yourself on freelancing platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, or else freelancer.com. These websites provide relevant and authenticated good works to people who are looking for work. And if you have a business of such as digital marketing and if you think that you are very much exceptionally good at doing SEO for many of the businesses, so you can think that selling the course, a paid course on many of the websites. You can even focus on selling the specific task on Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Get your YouTube video ready because this is a source of traffic for many of the businesses right now. Automate everything because machines can do each and every task faster than us and even much more accurately. Use a tool such as Hootsuite to automate each of your social media platform in a single platform. Response on each and every review because people look at your review before buying the products or services so that they can know about other people's experiences, what they have gained through. Alright, so if someone writes a bad review about your products or services, what you need to do is provide an apology. Yes, provide an apology because, or else, if nobody knows who is the right guy or who is the wrong guy, you need to provide an apology, even if they are wrong. If you are wrong, try to correct it as much as possible. And if they are wrong, then also you need to provide an apology because the other person will only look at the review. They don't know what is the matter inside. The next thing is about providing free samples to influencers because according to a research, 71% of the consumers are much likely to buy based on an influencer. Yes, I am correct. 71%. So you need to provide free samples to influencers first. And if you want to do it, you can use a tool such as Clout for doing this. The link will be there in the description. Create a referral program. In the year 2007, Dropbox was started. Today, it has 500 million users. You can see right now it is the market leader in cloud storage. The key was creating a creating a program. Roll out an affiliate program. By using an affiliate program, you manage to backlink your website with influencers, bloggers, and other social media influencers, such as they are on YouTube or any other. So this is a very much useful thing to do so. Right now, your business has to be on the maps, be it Google Maps, Apple, or Yelp. So it is equivalent being listed on the yellow pages in 1980s. So this video was too long. I hope you may get it, what things we are talking about. And if you like the hit the like button, we would be encouraged to make much such videos, more of such videos. And this is going to reach more people who may like it or who need this video for marketing for their small businesses. Bye bye and see you in the next one.